In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the pesky Shopify 500 error. This error can be quite frustrating as it indicates that something has gone wrong on the server end, typically due to issues in the code. But don't worry, we'll walk through the process together to get your Shopify store up and running smoothly again. First, let's start by checking if Shopify's server status is operational. The 500 error could ultimately be due to a broader issue that's not within your control. So, head over to Shopify's status page online and look for any alerts or notifications about ongoing outages. If there is a problem on their side, you might just need to wait it out. But if everything looks good on Shopify's end, it's time to dive into troubleshooting. Next, clear your browser's cache and cookies. Sometimes, these stored data pieces can interfere with loading the latest version of your site, potentially causing or exacerbating the 500 error. To do this, go to your browser settings, find the Privacy or History section, and select the option to clear your cache and cookies. Once done, restart your browser and try accessing your Shopify store once more. If the error persists, temporarily disable any third-party applications or custom themes you've recently added. These could have compatibility issues or bugs that lead to a server error. To do this, navigate to the Shopify admin dashboard, select Apps or Visit Themes under the Online Store section. Here, you can either disable or delete recently added apps or switch back to the default theme to see if this resolves the problem. In case you're still seeing the error, check your Shopify logs for any error messages. These logs can give you a clearer idea of what might be going wrong. Within Shopify's admin, go to Settings, find Account, and look for any logs or activity indicators that might hint at what's causing the 500 error. If you see something unusual, take note of it. Lastly, if the problem still isn't resolved, reach out to Shopify support. They have the tools and knowledge to assist you further. When you contact them, make sure to share any error details from your logs, as this will help them diagnose and remedy the problem efficiently. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effectively tackle the Shopify 500 error. If the problem continues to arise, remember that the Shopify support team is just a call or email away. They are equipped to solve more complex issues that might not be readily apparent. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need more assistance, feel free to drop a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more how-to videos and solutions to keep your Shopify store running as smoothly as possible. See you next time.